Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. First off, I would like to congratulate all the graduates out there for the year 2019. Hold your head high, feel proud of yourself that you accomplished whatever you're graduating from, whether it's from elementary, middle school, high school, college, technical school, I don't know, whatever school you're graduating from. Congratulations, and feel really proud of yourself that you accomplished this. You have placed yourself one step closer to being on the right path and revealing the best that you can be, putting your best self forward, and just don't take it lightly that you graduated, because a lot of people, for whatever reason, may not have been able to graduate, and so you have. So that is an accomplishment. It shouldn't be taken lightly. Even if it's just high school, don't think, oh, it's just high school graduate. No, because there's a lot of people who have not graduated high school for whatever reason. So don't just dismiss it and belittle it. Be proud and be excited for yourself. I know a lot of people don't want to have parties. Like my mini-me didn't want to have one. My assistant, his brother doesn't want to have one. I still think you should have a little small celebration. It is an accomplishment. I'm not saying you have to throw this big grand party. I mean, you can if you want to. I mean, who's to tell you not to? But don't just gloss over it. You know, like take time, take a moment to just be thankful and celebrate and be with some friends and loved ones and family, and just bask in the ambiance. Just bask in the ambiance. Just bask in your gloriousness and your greatness and your amazingness of accomplishing this milestone, and then that way you can set yourself up to accomplish the next milestone. Okay, so congratulations. So let's go ahead and get into let's go ahead and get into this review. So if you're interested in what I'm currently rocking on my head right now, I will include a link to the video on this, because I did have to do a little something to wear this. So yeah, check out that. So we're just going to continue this whole short unit phase, and I'm just hoping it doesn't continue to go like this. I hope it goes more like this, so we shall see. This unit is an extremely popular short wig unit. I believe she came out a year ago. I'm not sure. But while I was, you know, doing all my research and going through a gajillion million YouTube reviews and everything like that, I decided to hop onto the bandwagon and try her out. And I have It's a Wig Nuna, okay? And I decided to get her in the all blonde. So I got her in the 612. I've never had a 612 unit. This is Miss Nuna here. So you see it's more of an ashier yellow blonde versus more of a what am I trying to say, a brassier yellow blonde. So I don't know, guys. I don't know about her, period, but I don't know either, because I got her in this blonde. I've just seen, you know, a lot of women wearing short hair and they're dyeing it blonde, and I don't want to cut my hair, but I do want to see how I would look if my hair was really cut close and it was dyed blonde. So I am going to loosen up the straps. I think Luna is big head friendly. She doesn't come with any combs, guys. So there aren't any combs, so you would have to use a Harley Quinn? A bobby pin to hold her in place. She does come with a parting space. I don't know if I'm going to plug it, because I didn't use a parting space on this one, so we'll have to see. She's that finger comb wave pattern going on. Let me show you her stock card. This is Nuna right here. And what color is the model wearing? Okay, so I wanted the NDX Blueberry. I think I couldn't find it, because like I said, she's an older unit. So yeah, I went ahead and went with the 612. And she is iron friendly, safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. She has a real line hair part, already tweezed, deep and wide, natural looking. So let's see. The good thing about these units, you don't have to worry about gluing them down. I have glued down units like these before, so you can, oh Lord Jesus. Hello. You can glue them down. There's nothing that's saying you can't. I have got to be glued on non-lace wigs and they worked out fine. My only concern is my baby hair. I put them down. I glued them down because I wore a different unit earlier today. So that's my only concern, is if this wig is going to cover that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it says tangle free. Oh no. You can see my dark hair. Yeah. Probably shouldn't have gotten her in the full 612. Yeah. Dang it. The finger waves are really cute. I'm not going to keep it like that uniform. You can, but I don't think that looks great on me. And I've seen different people review her, and some people have fluffed her out. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. Kind of keep the finger waves on this side, but fluff up the front. I don't know what I'm going to do about... I might have to add a black root to her, because you can see you can see it. I mean, it's big head friendly, but it doesn't come all the way down. Yeah, it's not going to cover that. Yeah, I don't know. For big head friendly people like myself, if we get the shorter units, it's probably better just to go with ones that have darker hair, so that we can kind of camouflage certain areas. I am getting some shedding, even though she's a short unit. Okay guys, so this is Miss Nuna with me adding dark roots to her. I want to say, no, okay, I thought maybe she did already come like with a 1B 613, but she doesn't. So I don't believe there are any more. They don't offer her in a blonde unit with roots. So yeah, so you'd have to add, of course, like I said, some dark roots to her. Or for me, if you don't have the issue of having a big head and, you know, the sideburns cover your natural hair, you don't have to worry about it. But because I do have a larger head size, I do have to worry about that. I did kind of color the sideburns a little bit, so it just wasn't such a stark contrast between the blonde and then my sideburns that I try and poke out. Let me show you her. This is me to the right. This is me to the left, and this is the back. She's really cute. I do like her. I wish she was just a little bit more big head friendly so that the ear tabs could actually come to right here, and then I think she would be perfect. I don't feel like this unit ages me, and I don't feel like, yeah, and I don't feel like it just accentuates my round face in a bad way. But you guys let me know what you think. I do like this color. I do wish I had gotten her in a different color, but hey, it is what it is at this point. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for taking the time to leave comments and to have discussions in the comment section. I greatly appreciate you guys. It does mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget the bell so you can get notifications when a new video is headed your way, because I am about to upload and record another one. I have 2 more units I purchased along with this one, so I have 2 more videos to upload for you guys to watch. I want you to be able to see those and get an idea of if you like these units, or if if you want to order the color I'm wearing or a different color. So yeah. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.